Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to charge your Xbox Series S controller. So let me show you this. If I try and turn on my controller, you can see the logo shows up for a split second and then it just turns off. This is because, of course, the Xbox Series S controller is dead. How do we charge it? Well, we have three options. The first one is you get rechargeable batteries, and you need to charge these batteries externally, and once they are charged you just put them inside the Xbox Series S. The second option is you get an Xbox Series S power pack. I'll talk about that in a bit. And the third option is charging via the wire. So let's first of all talk about the rechargeable batteries. So you can see these are Kodak batteries. I just recommend you go on Amazon, search up rechargeable batteries. I have an Amazon link in the description which does that for you if you would like. So all you do is once you get these rechargeable batteries here, you just go to the back of the Xbox Series S controller, you just slide out this back part, remove the batteries, the old ones, and then you just put in these new batteries here which are rechargeable, and you can see now the controller is turning on. Now you should have more than two batteries, and the reason why is to have four, right? And when these two at the back die, you put those on the charger, and then you put those other two rechargeable batteries which are already charged into the Series S, therefore you have no downtime. If you only have two batteries here, well, when these die you have to wait for them to charge before you use your Xbox Series S controller again, which would be quite inconvenient. The next way is with a battery pack. So you can see batteries aren't the most convenient. However, you can put a battery pack on the back of the Xbox Series S, and essentially what it does is it allows you to charge the Xbox Series S controller directly, which means you don't have to take out batteries, all that good stuff. So I'll put a battery pack in the description if you would like to buy one. They aren't that expensive, but I mean the battery solution is cheaper if you just get rechargeable batteries. And once you put this on the back, you will need access to a USB charging cable. It would usually come with a battery pack, so you can see USB-C cable, and you just plug this in and it will charge the controller. Now you may be wondering, if you have rechargeable batteries, does this here charge the batteries? And the answer is no, it does not. So that's just something to consider. You need to charge the batteries with a battery charger. You cannot use a cable to charge rechargeable batteries. However, the cable will charge any battery pack. And the final solution is, even if you don't have any batteries to use to replace, well, you can just plug in the cable, the charging cable, and it will power the Xbox Series S controller even though there are no batteries inside. So this is powered by the mains, and you can see there's no batteries, but the controller is still turning on. And the USB-C charger is used for most Android phones, most laptops, most computers, most accessories. Unless you only have like an iPhone and an Apple Watch, then obviously you're not going to have one, but someone will have one somewhat in the house, so I recommend you just find it, or you could always buy one, they're really cheap. And yeah, that will power the Xbox Series S controller. So that's how to charge it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.